I'm going to do some tree trimming today. This here part of the tree is giving us a bit of privacy, but it continues on up, way up here, which is doing nothing. So I've thrown a rope up there, and I'll climb up and trim all this down. I'll just show you, this is a throw bag I got off eBay. Lasted about 3 throws and the stitching came undone, so I've wrapped it up with electrical tape and it's lasted a fair while now. How I tie onto it is I go around twice, twist it twice and just slip through. And to undo it, you just give it a pull and it's off. You don't want this coming undone. If you throw it and it comes undone, it could go 30 metres into something like that, and I think you would be flat out finding it in there. And this is how I throw it, and through the legs and let go. I found that to be a lot more accurate than swinging it like this. Plus it ends up burning your finger here. You need gloves on. This way you don't. And this is where I store it. It's an old bucket with a pot plant liquid nail to the bottom of it. It spins out fine. Once it's out, I just put it on. Once I've gone up once and it's come out, I just put it back on the ground like so. Push it out to the side, leave plenty of room in front of you, because as you throw it, you always step forward, and if you've got it too close, you'll step on it and miss out. Quite often you see it going straight for that hole you've been trying for half an hour, and bang, it stops dead because you stepped on the cord. Anyway, I've already thrown it up there. I don't know whether you can see it, it's right up there. And this is the tree I'm going to cut down. Okay. I've never climbed this close to the tree with the rope right like that. Actually, it's not too bad. I thought I'd be banging against a tree all the way up. Oh no, there's our place, and that is where the neighbour has cut off a block of land, is going to build their house, so this is just a bit of screening for that. This is one I've made myself. It's a long one and it's just daisy chained up. And these will connect it up, which saves me. And that's off a brush cutter, whippersnipper. Connect a harness to it. Works pretty good. Bit slow, but didn't cost anything. Now, where am I up to? Whew. That's a bit hard. That'll do, won't it? What I thought he kept going to miss one right down here. Righto, now to clean the mess up.